Good day, superstars! I'm glad to have you in class today. Today's lesson is on home economics and the topic is personal hygiene. You will recall that home economics is the domestic science which enlightens people of all genders on important life skills for self and home management. Personal hygiene is a collection of habits which people perform regularly to keep themselves clean and healthy so as to avoid germs from entering their bodies. To maintain personal hygiene, here are some habits that you must abide by. Brush your teeth. To avoid mouth odor and tooth decay, clean your teeth and tongue at least twice a day to get rid of stale food in them. Bathe regularly. To avoid body odor and skin diseases, bathe regularly and pay extra attention to your armpits, behind your ears, around your nose, and your private parts. Wash your hands. Wash your hands with soap and clean water after using the toilet, after playing with pets, after playing in or outdoor games, after coughing or sneezing, and before eating anything. Take care of your clothes. Keep your dirty clothes properly and wash them early. After washing and drying your clothes, fold or hang them neatly. Change your underwear. To avoid infections, do not repeat used underwears. Trim your nails. Keep your nails short and clean so they aren't home to germs. Wash your hair. Wash, cream, and comb your hair regularly to keep it healthy. Use a tissue or handkerchief. If you have a cold, endeavor to have a tissue or handkerchief you can cough or sneeze into so as to avoid spreading the germs. You can be sure that with these habits, you will be healthy, smart, confident, and admirable. Now let's do a quick recap on today's topic. Personal hygiene is the collection of habits which people perform regularly to keep themselves clean and healthy so as to avoid germs from entering their bodies. We need to brush our teeth, bathe regularly, wash our hands, take care of our clothes, change our underwears, trim our nails, wash our hair, and blow into a tissue or handkerchief. Do your best to maintain good personal hygiene always. See you in the next class. Take care.